Red Lentil Curry, a hearty and flavorful dish you can't miss. If you're looking for a satisfying, nutritious, and full-flavored dish that will leave you craving more, then this red lentil curry is just what you need. Rich, hearty, and packed with essential nutrients, this dish stands out from the usual Indian dal by being a perfect main course. Don't be intimidated by the ingredient list. It's easier to prepare than it looks, and the results are beyond delicious. Plus, it pairs wonderfully with basmati rice for a well-rounded meal that will keep you full and satisfied for hours. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner in the kitchen, this recipe is approachable and can be whipped up in under an hour. With the bold flavors of curry paste, turmeric, cumin, and chili powder, combined with the comforting texture of red lentils, this dish is sure to become a staple in your recipe repertoire. What makes red lentil curry so special? This dish isn't just tasty, it's also a powerhouse of nutrition. Red lentils are high in protein, fiber, and iron, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians and those looking to add more plant-based meals to their diet. The combination of spices adds depth and warmth, making each bite an explosion of flavor that'll keep you coming back for more. Now, let's dive into the recipe, and you'll see just how easy it is to create this hearty red lentil curry at home. Prep time: 10 minutes. Cook time: 40 minutes. Total time: 50 minutes. Servings: 8. Ingredients: 2 cups red lentils, 3 cups water, or more as needed, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 large onion, diced, 2 tablespoons curry paste, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon white sugar, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon minced fresh ginger, 1 14.25 ounce can tomato puree. Directions. Step 1. Gather all ingredients. The first step to making this dish is to gather all the ingredients. Make sure you have everything on hand before you begin so you can cook without interruptions. Step 2. Rinse the lentils. Wash the red lentils thoroughly in cold water. Keep rinsing them until the water runs clear. This step is essential to remove any excess starch, ensuring your curry has the right texture. Step 3. Cook the lentils. Place the rinsed lentils in a pot and add enough water to cover them. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover the pot and let the lentils simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, adding more water if necessary to keep the lentils covered. When the lentils are tender, drain any excess water. Step 4. Caramelize the onions. While the lentils are cooking, heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the diced onion and cook, stirring occasionally, until they turn golden brown and caramelized. This process can take around 20 minutes, so be patient. It's worth the time. Step 5. Mix the spices. In a separate bowl, combine the curry paste, curry powder, ground turmeric, ground cumin, chili powder, salt, sugar, minced garlic, and minced ginger. Stir the mixture well to create a spice blend that will form the flavorful base of the curry. Step 6. Add the spices to the onions. Once the onions are caramelized, add the spice mixture to the pan. Increase the heat to high and cook, stirring constantly, until the spices release their fragrant aromas. This step will only take 1 to 2 minutes, but it's the key to getting that rich curry flavor. Step 7. Combine tomato puree and lentils. Add the can of tomato puree to the skillet, followed by the cooked lentils. Stir everything together and cook for a few more minutes, allowing the curry to heat through and the flavors to meld together. Add water as needed to achieve your desired consistency. Step 8. Serve and enjoy. Once everything is heated through and well mixed, your red lentil curry is ready to serve. Pair it with some fluffy basmati rice for a complete meal, and prepare to enjoy a hearty and flavorful dish that will leave you craving seconds. Nutritional information. Per serving. Calories: 192. Total fat: 3g, 3% of your daily value. Saturated fat: 0g, 2% of your daily value. Sodium: 572 milligrams, 25% of your daily value. Total carbohydrates: 33g, 12% of your daily value. Dietary fiber: 11g, 40% of your daily value. Total sugars: 7g. Protein: 12g, 24% of your daily value. Vitamin C: 9 milligrams, 10% of your daily value. Calcium: 44 milligrams, 3% of your daily value. Iron: 6 milligrams, 31% of your daily value. Potassium: 727 milligrams, 15% of your daily value. Why this red lentil curry is the perfect meal. High in protein. With 12g of protein per serving, red lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein. This makes the dish perfect for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to add more protein to their diet without relying on meat. Packed with fiber. Each serving of this curry contains 11g of fiber, which is crucial for digestive health and helps to keep you feeling full longer. Loaded with essential nutrients. From iron to potassium, this dish provides a variety of vitamins and minerals that support overall health. It's especially high in iron, which is vital for energy and maintaining healthy red blood cells. Easy to make. Despite having a seemingly long ingredient list, the recipe is straightforward and doesn't require any special skills or equipment. It's a one-pot dish that anyone can make, even if you're a beginner in the kitchen. Final thoughts. Why you should try this red lentil curry. If you're looking for a comforting, nutritious, and flavorful dish that's easy to prepare, this red lentil curry should be at the top of your list. Whether you're cooking for yourself or feeding a family, this dish offers a satisfying meal that everyone will enjoy. The combination of spices brings the dish to life, while the lentils provide a hearty base that makes it filling and nourishing. This dish isn't just for those following a vegetarian or vegan lifestyle. It's a delicious and healthy meal choice for anyone who loves good food. So, what are you waiting for? Gather your ingredients, follow the steps, and treat yourself to a bowl of this hearty red lentil curry today. By following this simple recipe, you'll have a delicious, protein-packed meal that's perfect for any day of the week. Serve it with rice, and you've got a meal that's sure to impress family and friends while keeping you satisfied.